this is example 1 of lesson 4.7. We are graphing linear functions, which are functions that make lines. So our first task in example 1 is to graph the linear function y equals 10 minus 3x using an input-output table. This is just one of the ways that you can graph linear functions. There is another way that we'll work on in a minute or 3. But first, let's go ahead and do this. The first thing we're going to do is pretend we're back at 4.5 and we are filling out our input-output table. We start by finding our y values. Why? Why? Because. So we're going to start by plugging in our x values into our function to find our y. So y equals 10 minus 3 times 0. Okay, 3 times 0 is 3, 10 is 7. Or sorry, yeah, 10, not 7, 10. All right, next y equals 10 minus 3 times 1. That one is 7 because 3 times 1 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 7. Y equals 10 minus 3 times 2. So that's 10 minus 6, which is 4. And y equals 10 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So our 4 points, our 4 quadrant coordinate points, ordered pairs, again, using our x value and then our y value, 0, 10, 1, 7, 1, 2, 4. Let me just erase that. That's awful. Okay. 2, 4, and 3, 1. Over here on the points, let me go ahead and make bigger. 0, 10, 1, 7, 1, 7. Can I get a point, please? Thank you. Can I have some lag, please? Why, yes. Yes, you can. 2, 4, and 3, 1. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. There you go. So we have our 4 points on our graph now, and the last thing we want to do is connect the dots. We want to show that this graph, this function, creates a continuous line. So I'm going to make a line here that goes through all of my points. This shows me, and I can make little arrows on the end here, this shows me that this line keeps going on forever and ever in both directions. Forever. I can plug in any value of x, and I can find my y. Any point on this line. This line goes on forever, hence the arrows, and covers all of the points there. And that, getting your y values, plotting your points, and putting a line in them, is one way to graph linear functions.